Hello, folks. Thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. And this is a unique opportunity for you folks, so I recommend that you seize it now. I have identified the link in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review. You can grab Halo from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Bonus number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online and with ease. And bonus number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr, so that when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr, and then you just market it to your buyer at a higher price, and you pocket the difference. Now, bonus number 4 shows you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. It's a straightforward process, and you can easily follow it with only spending 15 minutes a day running the entire system. And not only that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And bonus number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing, and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, and much, much more. Now, let's get back to the Halo review and listen to what they have to say.
If you're struggling to make money online, it's not your fault. It's 2024 and the game has changed. You can't apply old methods, models, or apps and expect to win in 2024, but relax, because we have something that's crushing it in 2024. We have a new AI app. It builds you a passive affiliate site in 60 seconds, the same one that makes us a recurring $48 a day. No tech skills, experience, hosting, or upfront costs are needed. Introducing Halo. Here's how easy this is. Step number 1, purchase. Grab a copy before the price increases. Step number 2, select login and select from a beautifully crafted, fully hosted, done-for-you AI affiliate site in 1 click. Step number 3, relax. We click activate to get free traffic in 60 seconds and watch a passive $48 per day pouring into our account daily like clockwork. There's no technical setup, no video recording, no investment needed, no speaking, no reading, no waiting for results, and no waiting to get paid. This is literally the best way we've ever seen for beginners to get results online. So how much is this going to cost? Well, how much is getting results online worth to you? I'm guessing $47 a month to make things a reality would be a bargain, right? But of course you aren't going to pay $47 a month. You aren't even going to pay $37 a month. No, not even $27 a month. In fact, you're not going to pay monthly at all. When you act right now during the special launch period, you can get in for a tiny one-time investment. But that's not all, because we believe in delighting our customers. So when you act right now, you'll also get our brand new bonus bundle, absolutely free. You can see all the details below. These bonuses have never been offered before and are not available anywhere else for anybody to buy at any price. But you get them absolutely free. And to make this a no-brainer for you, we're totally removing all the risk for you with our 365-day money-back guarantee. And to totally blow your socks off, when you act now, you also get our get results or get paid $500 money-back guarantee. If for some reason you don't get results with Halo, just let us know what you tried, and not only will we send you your money back, we'll also send you $500. It's literally a win-win situation for you. But hurry, act fast, because the price really goes up every 60 minutes. If you come back later, you will pay more. So if you want to tap into this incredible AI-powered opportunity, then all you need to do is click the button below to lock in your spot. Remember, Halo builds for us a passive affiliate site in 60 seconds flat that pulls in a recurring $48 per day, month in, month out. If you want to join in on the fun, then you know what you need to do. So hurry, click the Get Started button below for instant access. Do it now before the price increases, and we'll see you on the inside.